If you want to make this tool, you have to follow the video one by one. So let's get started. So welcome back to Teens Club, and as you saw at the first second of the video that we are going to model a stool today. And you can see at the right bottom corner a mouse, and you can see all the shortcuts and all the keys that I'm using. Okay, so go to Google, search Fredericia, and in the search here, stool, and choose this one. We are going to model this tool today. You can download the DWG file directly, 2D and 3D, but I'll put a zip file in the description at the end. Okay, so select everything, select, delete. Okay, top view, shift A, reference, image reference actually. Go to the file that you had download your reference in it. And I'm going to change it. Go to picture reference. Set the transparency 0.5. And side view, shift A, image reference, and side view. Transparency, good. So lift this up till here. Looking good, good. Top view. I'm going to move this. Good. Now part one. Image reference. Wait. What? Imagine, today I woke up 6 o'clock in the morning, and actually then, guess what, I slept back, cause I was so sleepy, and I slept maybe 12 o'clock at the night. It was at midnight. So I slept back 6 o'clock, then I woke up 8 o'clock a.m. For the first time. 'Cause for the first time in forever. So now I breath 3. Go to here. And shift A. Mesh. I'm going to use a cube. If color yellow is not good, so I'm going to set it to red. I think now it's good. So select the cube, Alt Z, and then Z, warframe mode. Scale it down like that. Grab Z and grab Y-axis. Perfectly done. And then go to edit mode. Edit mode and select the first or the top, and then grab it till about there. Then grab Y and grab this or select this corner and adjust it like that. Go at the end. Good, looking good. And I'm going to add a loop cut. Right click to cancel it, because you can see that it isn't straight. It's roundy from this part, and it isn't a square. It's like a cylinder, or it's not a cube because it's a cylinder. And I didn't use a cylinder because you can make a cylinder from a cube. I'm going to show you how later. Not later, now actually, the next step. So grab Y, adjust it like that. Front view, A to select, grab X. And then select the top part, grab X, and this, and adjust the bottom part. Looking good. And adjust this part actually. Checking things here. Looking good, but I think we don't need to. Good. Top view. I have made this stool lots of times, so I know that the template on the top view isn't matching the whole mesh. I'm not going to move the mesh, I'm going to move the top reference. Grab Y, wait, grab Y, it's not selected, oh. Go to object mode and then select it, grab Y. Looking good. Then edit mode, wait. Select the cube, edit mode. Go to here, add modifier. Subdivision surface. Turn the viewport till 3 and the render 3. And object mode. You can see that this looks disgusting. It isn't actually a leg, like, ugh. But I'm going to show you how to make it perfect. Now pad 3, solid mode. Go at the end here, add a loop cut, and don't pull it till the end. Till there. And select. Grab Y. I'm not sick. Don't worry. Good. And now up. Till the end. Smash it up, like smash it. Don't let it live. Now. And then click 3 on the horizontal numbers. Select this face and delete faces. So it's hard edge. Kinda good. And right click, wait, object mode. Right click, shade smooth. Now it's smooth. And then add a modifier. But before adding another modifier, go here, object set origin to 3D cursor. So the mirror works perfectly. So go here. Where is mirror? Here it is. Mirror. We don't need x-axis now, so hide it. Y-axis, but it's not aligned perfectly as you see. So go to edit mode and A, grab Y, like that. Object mode, grab Y. Now it's perfect. And you know what? I'm going to grab this down. Grab it. Good. Now x-axis, and it's not aligned again. Grab X. Good. And now I'm going to make this stick this like this. I don't know what to call it. This stick, it's here between these two. So this stick is between these two legs, between these two and these two, and this stick is between these two sticks. I'm going to show you, but you have to save the project as you continue, because if you don't save your project, it's going to make a big problem. Maybe it will crash, maybe it will not, but save it and in any situation, okay? Save it. So file, save as, go to your file and save it. I actually don't need it. I already made one. So we're going to make this, and it's already a cube. So Shift A, cube. We are going to make it in the same way, the way we made the leg. So it's easy. Grab Z, scale it down, and actually you can just mirror it. Mirror the both sides, so you don't have to do the same thing the both sides. But I want to do things manually. Edit mode. Select this edge, grab it. Y-axis. Till here. Adjust it. Make sure to watch Blender Guru's videos, because I really learned from him. He made the same company chair, and he has nine parts, maybe, yeah, and I completed them successfully. So make sure to watch his video. Wait, why? His channel is awesome. Wait. If you hold down Alt and click on this edge and double G, you can move it. Here it is, our lovely stick. Don't know what to call it. Looking good. modifier, subdivision surface, 3, and add a loop cut till the end. Smash it there. I actually have, oi, I will adjust this. So do the same thing here. Maybe my voice is not coming well, I don't know, cause my mic moved. So object mode, shade smooth, and adjust this. I actually, it's good. Just pull it till here. Okay, good. Looking good. Mirror modifier and x-axis. Where is it? Ugh. Oof. Oh. Wait. I found out the problem. The problem was that this shape's origin is inside it. So object origin to 3D cursor. Good. And now I'm going to hide. Yeah, hide this edge. Select tab A. Grab X. Alt H to unhide them. And actually this is good, looking good. And now I'm going to make this stick, whatever it was, but I'm going to call it a stick. Tab, do the same thing. And add a loop cut right on the line, and then adjust it up. Okay, as you see that this part isn't aligned with the reference. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to rotate it. Wait, don't do this step. This is wrong. Don't rotate that shape, please. I'm going to show you what's going to happen. You're going to see that the shape size is getting smaller from rotating it. If I rotate more, you're going to see this problem. So don't do this step, please. You can actually go here, shear, and do this part. It's not rotating, it's actually kind of rotating the, what do you say it? Rotating the part that we selected. And actually there's a second way of shearing, which is F3, wait, F3, shear, and you can see the shortcut and shear it. I actually use the shortcut Control Alt Shift S like that and grab it here till this line, and same thing here. It has to be aligned. Oh yeah, save your work as you go. Remember, okay, now looking good actually. Select it and subdivision surface, and this looks horrible. So we're going to set it so it's not look horrible. The end. The end. Shade smooth. Now we are done with the legs, and we're going to make this seat. So hide everything. Legs. Height. So top view. Shift A, we're going to use a plane. Select this part, grab X till about there, and add mirror modifier so I don't have to do the same thing lots of times. So grab X, you can see that it isn't joining, so clipping like that. So yeah, then add subdivision surface, subsurf modifier, and close this for a moment like this, and go to Warframe mode, off, click on optimal display, turn it off so you can see this net, adjust it like this, and I'm going to scale it on the x-axis, scale x, tab, grab X. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to align it. Like that, and I'm going to add a loop cut to adjust it perfectly. here, here, here. Right clicked. I actually right clicked to not move it. Grab, wait, X, back, adjust this part. It actually doesn't have to be perfect, but if you want it to be perfect, then you're free. Good. Now A to select, grab Z, 1. The sheet is the most horrible thing to do for me. Takes lots of time. Like this. And then select this part, grab Z, right about there, and select this part to be like that, and this. Looking good. I'm going to align this part. Here, looking good actually. Very good. But we're not done yet. Select the edges, hold down Alt and click on the edges, then Shift, like hold on Shift Alt, or what, I'm going to go to and select it, hold on Shift, just select the outlines. I'm just holding Shift and I am on edge mode. Then Control E, mark sharp. Good. Then add a modifier, which is solidify modifier that will give it thickness. And you're going to give it thickness till about there. We actually made a mistake by folding this, so I'm going to, it matches, but then we're going to add a bevel, cause when you sit on this chair you're going to cut your leg. So bevel, and you can change it. I'm gonna change it to 0.02. Yeah, good. It's smooth. And like you see, Blender can't recognize that this is an edge or a bevel or a thickness or whatever, but you can fix it. go here, normals. First go to object data properties and then normals, shade smooth. I mean auto smooth. Actually, you can zoom in and zoom out by holding control and middle mouse pointer and move your mouse, whatever. Then shade smooth. Now, shade flat, shade smooth. It can recognize it by 30 degrees. 30 angle. You can decrease it, sorry. You can decrease it actually. Okay. Where to go? Okay. Go here, subdivision surface, and increase the viewport to about there. No? 3 is good. And now Control H and hide them. Shape is good. But it's too upright. No, too down. This is good. Okay, we're done with the modeling. Congratulations. We're going to texture it now. So hide this and go here to, what do you call it? Yeah. Materials, new material. Base color, wait. You can do it from here, but I don't know how to upload a file from here. You can actually put a link and whatever. Go here, shading, Shift A, texture, image texture. Connect this with that. Open. I actually saved my photo. You can do that. Also, pictures and this black cloth, and this is my texture. And ignore this part, whatever. And here, new, Shift A, texture, image texture. If you follow me step by step, I'm going to be successful in modeling. Not me, lots of people. Okay, where is black wood? Oh, what is this? I saved it. Oh, here it is. I think I forgot to rename it. New, Shift A. Oh, what is this? Shift A, texture, image texture. Open, same thing. So I'm going to post a video so you can do it. And I'm done with my texture, and like you see, it's all done. I'm going to show you a trick. For example, I'm going to remove this texture, and it's black. Wait, what have I done here is that I copied the materials, and how you do that is to select the material that you want to copy it. Like copy it from the whatever, then click Shift, hold on Shift, and when they're selected, Control L materials, and they will be copied successfully. So now I'm going to add a plane. Good. And then edit mode, select the edges, E to extrude, Z, Really, this is good. Then 3, click on the floor, and I'm going to add a material to it. So shading. It's black, as you see. Okay, where is it? Marble. And this is marble, but I don't want everything to be marble, and it's not good. So add new. And then assign. Wait, what? No. Okay. Edit mode, select these 3. I'm going to add new. Shift A, texture, image texture, and wrap. Good. Really, this is good. The layout, and we need a light. So mesh, not mesh, light. I'm going to use spot. Everything is good, and then render them.